Today, I'll walk you through how to fix the date format error in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to resolve this common issue so you can ensure your data visualizations are accurate and effective. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all your data comes together, and it's the starting point for any adjustments you need to make. Once your dashboard is open, we need to access the Power Query Editor. To do this, navigate to the Home tab and then select Transform Data. This will open up the Power Query Editor, where you can manipulate your data more effectively. Now locate the date column that is causing the error. Right-click on the header of that problematic date column. This action will bring up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Change Type, and then choose Using Locale. This option allows you to specify the data type and the locale settings, which is crucial for resolving date format discrepancies. Next, set the data type to date. This step is essential as it tells Power BI how to interpret the values in that column. Finally, you will need to set the locale to the country or region that corresponds to how your source data is formatted. This ensures that Power BI understands the date format correctly, whether it's day-month-year or month-day-year. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, so take your time to follow along. And there you have it. You've successfully fixed the date format error in Power BI. By following these steps, you can ensure your data is accurately represented, which is vital for making informed decisions based on your analysis. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.